Hello everyone, it's Muhammad Adnan here and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do comments on your targeted Facebook users profiles through Facebook Blaster Pro. Actually, this software is offering you multiple features and everything is connected with each other, especially all-in-one scraper. Here you can scrap your targeted user IDs, then you can start doing your comments on their profiles. So here we have, you can scrap chat list, those people you have chat with on Facebook, or enter your group ID here and you can scrap their members, or you can enter here post link and you can scrap those people like that post or comment on that post, and then you can start doing comments on that their profiles. Here we gonna use, this is our targeted post link that I'm gonna use here and gonna scrap likes, and will start doing comments in this video I will be showing you. And now you can watch the video.